Welcome to Unix Lab Exercise 6. In this experiment, we have to write a program for two applications. One is uh, one is library and second is banking. So now let's see. So now let's see first application bank. So so this is the program. So we have initialized initially c equals to 0. This we'll see what is c. Now this is while this is the loop. Then while ch is not equal to 5, then we have given some choices like enter 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, balance for new account, and to exit. Like that, the user will give the choice. Then after that, here we have declared some functions like this new. So new will help us to deposit. So enter the name of enter your name, then we'll write the name, then echo your, then it will show our name. Then here echo new account created, then it will print that new account has been created. Now for deposit function, here same thing we are doing. We are asking the amount how much you want to deposit, then it will take that amount, then it will add the amount with the initial amount, so it will show deposit successfully. After that, we'll see withdraw function. What happens in this function? Echo enter the amount to withdraw. So now we are reading that amount, then we are seeing like that amount we want to withdraw is smaller the amount which is already present in our account. So if it's greater, then it will show like you have entered larger amount, but if it's smaller than the original amount, then it will show like withdrawn successful. Like that, we have some cases. So case 1, deposit function will call. Like that, case 2, withdraw function will call, then balance function will call, then new function will call. Like that, this application we can do. Now let's see the output for this application. So here it will ask enter 1 to deposit, 2 to withdraw. So now let's see. So I will enter 1. So here it will ask how much amount you want to deposit. Suppose I want to deposit 1000 rupees, then it will show deposited successfully. Suppose I want to check the balance, so I will enter choice 3, then it will show my balance rupees as 1000. Suppose I want to withdraw some money, suppose I am withdrawing 150 rupees, then it will show withdrawn successful. Now I will check the balance, then now my balance is 850. Now suppose again I want to withdraw, I will enter 1000 rupees. Now I have entered more money, and only 850 rupees I am having in my account, but I have entered 1000 rupees. So it will show some error like cannot withdraw. You can withdraw at most rupees 850. So this is the first application in the Unix lab. Now the second experiment is like library. So so this is the program for library, central library. So first we are going welcome to central library. Then we are initializing I equals to 0. Then flag. Then we have some functions like add book. So in add book, what we are doing, we are entering the name. Then we are reading the name of the book. Then author we are getting from the user. Then book ID. Then book publisher. Like that, we are giving book availability status as y. Then after that, we are incrementing I. Now in display function, what we are doing, we are running a loop. Now it will display all the books, whatever data we have entered for their book. So it will display book ID, book name, book author, book publisher, and book availability. So like that, there is a function search book, so we can search the book. For that, we have to give book ID as the reference. It will check book ID and the reference of the ID which is present in the uh, which is present in this program. Then we'll see if book is present, it will show book found, otherwise it will show book is not found. If book is found, then it will print all the values of the book like book ID, book name, book author, and all these things. Now in the next there is a next function is lend book. In this function we can lend the book. Like for that also we have to give book ID as bkid. Then after that we have to check the availability. If book is available, then we can lend the book. Now we are running the for loop. If it's now If book is available, then it will show thank you for lending. Otherwise, it will show book is not available. Now, in the next function, there is a return book function. Now, again, we have to give book ID as the reference. Now, we are returning a book. That book ID and the previous book ID, if it's equal, then it means book is returned successfully, and the book available status will be Y. So, this was the program for library management. Now let's see the output for this program. So there are some functions like add book, search book, then lend book. So we'll add some book. Suppose the book name is ABC, and the book author name is XYZ, and book ID is 1. Now enter book publisher, anything you can write. Now we want to search the book. Suppose 2 I am giving book ID as 1, then it will show book found. Suppose I am giving book ID as something else, then it will show book not found. Now suppose I want to lend a book, then I will give the choice as 3. Now it will ask for the book ID, so I will give 1. So it will show thank you for lending ABC book. Now suppose I want to return this book, then I will write the choice 5 and enter the book ID, then I will write 1. Thank you for returning other. So this was the program for the library. So so this was the program for library, and this was the use case. This was the switch case. So in this, what we are doing, we are calling, there are some cases like case 1 to case 5, and we are calling that function like add book, search book, lend book, and display book, and return book. And suppose we have given some other choice except these choices, then it will show invalid option. So this was the experiment number 6 in Unix lab. So thank you for watching this video.